All right, lesson 12, hasty generalization. This is basically when you try to inflate an exception to make it a general rule, okay? Or taking a small sample and saying it's as reliable as a large sample. So for example, if you ask your husband why he doesn't seem interested in spending time with you, and he refers to the one time in the last 3 months that he tried to spend time with you, what about the rest of those 3 months? Like, why is he making this one thing bigger than it really is? That's the hasty generalization fallacy. Here's one. You may have heard this before with the whole recent gender or sex debate. Guevadossi's children, if I pronounce that right, are labeled female at birth but develop a penis at about 12 years old. This proves that we cannot assign sex based on genitalia. But is that true? Can we not assign sex based on genitalia? We can actually. And the reason why is because Guevadossi's children, there's like, it is extremely rare. And it only appears in like one small country and then like 2 little cities in the entire world. Okay? And you're saying that because there's this super rare exception, we can't assign sex based on genitalia for the entire world. No, that doesn't make sense. Yes, you can. You're trying to refer to a rare exception and make a general rule off of it. Like for everybody. You can't do that. That's the hasty generalization fallacy. If you say that as a general rule, women are controlling psychopaths, okay, how many women did the individual that said this, how many did he actually talk to before he said that? He's probably not had more than maybe a couple hundred women in his life that he's ever come in contact with on any real level to be able to determine whether they're controlling psychopath. So based off of a couple hundred, he's made a general statement about all the women in the world about how, as a general rule, they're all controlling psychopaths. No, you cannot take a small sample and say it's as reliable as a large sample, okay? That's the hasty generalization fallacy. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you again in Lesson 13.